Hi folks, it's springtime and ready to plant some gardens, so we're going to be putting some onions in. This is what we pulled out. We got a bunch of, got some chives I'm going to move to another garden. There were some bunch of nettles in here, I'm going to cook them up. And then there's a whole bunch of spring onions down here, so you can use that. But I wanted to clean this out. Things had been spreading a lot, so now it's just all clear. And I put these carpet pieces around the outside to keep the quack grass from coming in. It has to get past that and then come up, so it makes it a little cleaner, makes it a little easier to handle the weeds. Otherwise, they just keep creeping in. So I do that all the way around, and now I'm going to be planting the onions. What I've got is some seed onion sets just from the hardware store. It's a mixture of red onions and yellow onions, so I'm gonna plant all those. Hopefully I have enough onions for the winter. Next up is making some cages here for my potatoes. I was going to do them in tires, but I actually went online and looked into that a little bit, and it turns out that it's pretty toxic. I guess the tires release a lot of chemicals into the soil, and so you don't want to be soaking them up with potatoes rather. So this one you just put down some mulch, some hay. And then you get some nice dirt and make a layer of this dirt. Just a couple inches. And then you add your seed potatoes around the outside edge. And then you put another couple more inches to cover over these potatoes. And then add more mulch. And you want to put a nice thick layer because it will all compress. I'm going to try to get 3 growing layers in here. garden truck is all weeded and ready to go. And then my other garden, I have these hills. Cleaned up some of the weeds, and there's the garlic in the background back there. Now these buckets here, these barrels are full of water, and I tented all my zucchinis and squash and melons under these tents to keep the bugs from getting at them. The tomatoes I left out, and these in that corral there is some uh, beans. I'm making some comfrey tea in this barrel. I'll add water to dilute it in a little while when it's all done. This is my onion bed that I had planted all those onions earlier in this episode. The onions came up, and also a bunch of potatoes from last year, which I'll keep. And in the truck greenhouse here, melons and here's the potatoes. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.